If you're seeing a blinking blue light on your Rogers Xfinity Gateway or Rogers Ignite modem, it usually means the device is in WPS pairing mode or experiencing a pairing timeout. WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a way to quickly connect devices to your Wi-Fi without needing a password. The light blinks to indicate the device is actively trying to pair or has failed to pair within the allotted time, typically 2 to 5 minutes. Newer Rogers firmware extends the pairing window to 5 minutes. A slow blink indicates WPS is active, while a rapid blink often signals a timeout or connection failure. Remember that a solid blue light indicates normal operation. Don't be concerned if you have a Rogers account but an Xfinity branded device. This is common due to shared firmware or hardware. First, power cycle your gateway by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds. This can resolve temporary glitches causing the blinking blue light. Check all Ethernet connections to ensure they are secure. Loose cables can cause connectivity issues. If it's a WPS issue, briefly press the WPS button on the gateway to restart the pairing process. You can disable WPS entirely through the Rogers app or by accessing the gateway's settings via a web browser, usually at 192.168.0.1. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Update the device firmware using the Rogers Ignite app if available. Firmware updates often address bugs causing WPS timeout errors. Interference from other devices or physical obstructions can cause issues, so ensure the gateway is clear of obstructions and away from devices like microwaves. Note that Rogers is planning automatic fixes to WPS timeouts in future firmware updates. If you're still facing issues, contact Rogers support for assistance.